So, guys, I've used plenty of twin wireless earphones till date, but I've rarely used a very few number of twin wireless earphones on a daily basis. And today I have the Mi Audio Extend Bluetooth earphones, and this might make me change my mind on that. Let's check it out. The Mi Audio Extend costs 4,999 rupees for India, but you can get these on an exclusive deal at just 3,999 on headphonezone.in right now. So check the description to get the best deals available at the moment. The packaging is solid and it comes in this well padded cardboard box, and the front piece opens like a book which has all the call actions and some features, and also you can look at the earphones and the case placed inside here. Once you open from the bottom, you can slide out the earphones. You get a short instruction card to charge the earphones for at least 2 hours before the first use. You get both the earphones and the mat charging case here, and then you get a charging cable which is medium sized one. These are type C cables, so like most earphones are now going towards type C. I like these. Then you get some extra pair of ear tips, and an instruction manual is present as well. If this is your first time on TechMatrix, we do a lot of videos on technology, unboxings, giveaways on my channel. So hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon to stay updated on my new videos and giveaways. Now let's take a look at the Mi Audio Extend charging case first. The case is made of matte black plastic finish across, and these are very compact and pocket friendly and weighs just 55 grams including the earphones. You have to open the top lid to see the earphones placed inside the charging ports. As soon as you open the lid, these cases have a magnetic lock in place, so unlike other earphones, you just need to place the ports and it locks in place. The Extend earphones are very modern and comes with a Type-C port at the sides, which will allow you to charge the case, which has a rather smaller 450 mAh lithium-ion battery inbuilt and charges in close to 2 hours from zero. Also, there are these 4 charging indicators in the front to just indicate you the charge left in the case. Next, let's take a look at the earphones. The earphones is complete plastic make as well and weighs just about 9 grams in total for both the earphones, and they have an in-ear design which is just great for long hours of use. Now both earphones have a larger than usual 100 mAh lithium-ion battery, which gives you a playtime of 4 to 4.5 hours on each charge and a total of 3 to 4 charges using this case. So a total of 20 to 22 hours of music can be expected, which is nice. You also get dual charging cum status indicators on each earphones, and these look sweet. The fit is perfect and doesn't pop out even with the strongest of movements on these like you see here. I was literally trying my best to pop this out. The passive noise cancellation is pretty good, and the seal this gives is pretty good for me, and the audio that gives is very good for at least my ears. They come with the latest Bluetooth 5, which means more battery and more range and better transmission quality. Connecting is pretty easy. Open the charging case first and remove both the earphones from the case. Now the earphones will pair to each other. One will start blinking now on your phones. Connect to the Mi Audio Extend and you're connected. Note the next time you just have to take out the earphones and it will automatically connect to your paired device. You can use the right earphones as a mono unit to make calls or music, but you cannot use the left earphones as a mono unit though. Drivers are 5mm high definition drivers, and the audio quality is very natural if you ask me. This is quite unique and keeps it real and offers a really enjoyable bass which doesn't overpower the whole music mix. At the same time, you get a good mix of mids and highs. This one is good for listening to classical, folk and Bollywood, and if you're the one who looks for natural music, this one will not let you down. I used these for a week on flat without using any equalizers and was able to get a very good experience from them. And this also comes with an inbuilt microphone, and this part of the video has been recorded on the Mi Audio Extends Bluetooth earphones microphone, and I'm just giving you a sound test of the microphone to see if there is any noise that it picks up. I'm just clicking and giving you some environmental noise. And yes, it is audible like most earphones, but the quality of the voice is pretty good. And I hope you can listen to this and make up your mind based on this now. They also come with stereo call output, which has become very necessary in today's date. When you make a call, you will hear on both the left and right earphones, and these are perfect for playing games. They are very low latency and comes in handy when you want your chicken dinners. No more chicken dinner for you guys, sorry. The best part is that they come with a tactile press controls on each side of the earphones, double tap to change volume, single tap to answer calls, play, pause and end calls, triple tap to change tracks, and tap and hold for voice assistant like Siri or Google, which is nice to have, unlike a few earphones which don't give you volume controls. And the button sensitivity, my gosh, they have got it right. Most earphones which are press based are very hard on your ears and you have to literally press like crazy, but these only work with the apt amount of pressure. They are also IPX5 sweat and water resistant and are good for gymming and running, but not for heavy rains or a swim. The only drawback that I found with these earphones that these don't have mono use for the left side for calls, but I guess I can live without that if I can get the volume controls in them. So guys, what do you think about the Mi Audio X10? Tell me in the comment sections below and hit that like button and subscribe for more such geeky videos. This is your host Bharat and peace out.